How do you simplify your manufacturing complexity? Streamline your operations? Get real-time visibility across your business? That's exactly what OptiProERP does for you. Built on the world-class SAP Business One platform, OptiProERP is designed specifically for your manufacturing needs. Get real-time inventory and shipment information with OptiProERP's inventory and warehouse management. Deliver accurate order fulfillment with OptiProERP's production and supply chain planning. Improve productivity with OptiProERP's quality assurance. OptiProERP enables you to meet and exceed customer expectations. Let us help you make running your business simpler. Visit OptiProERP.com to learn more about our end-to-end manufacturing software.